Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the LeetCode problem partition labels. So a string S of lowercase English letter is given. We want to partition this string into as many parts as possible so that each letter appears in at most one part and return a list of integers representing the size of these parts. So in this example 1, we can divide this string into three parts which has length 9, 7 and 8, and we need to return list of these. So the constraint, the string length max 500 and string only contains the lowercase English letters A to G. So how we will solve this problem? So the constraint is like if we have this character A, then all the character A in this string should be in a one part. So if we see this A is on index 0, then we look for another A is on, last A is on the index 8. So this is the one place where we can cut so that all the A is belongs to E. But if we are selecting this as a one part, we need to check for other characters as well. So for B, it is okay inside on this, then A is okay, we done, B is done, C is also inside this only. So one of the cut can be done here, which is this. So the length of this partition is 9. Similarly now D. So D last is here on 14, but after that we included E also in this partition. So we need to look for the last E as well. So if we go from here, so last E is on the 15 index. Now F is only 1, G is also only 1, so we are fine to cut this. Another partition is at here, so this will be the another partition and the length of this partition is 7. Similarly for the rest of the part. So this is how we can solve this problem. So this is the 3 partition of length 9, 7. So how we will solve? First of all, we will keep track the indices of the last appearance of the characters in an array of 26 characters of 26 length. So we will create this 26 length. So this will hold the index of appearance of each of the A to G character. So let's say A, so we will first update A, we will iterate all full string one by one pass and continuously update the presence of this in the left to right manners. So here first A will be on index 0, then A will be comes here on 2 and so on. This will be override till the 8. Like this we will get the last index of each character in the array, and after that we will iterate this again from the I equals to 0 to length of the array, and then we will check, also create a character J, another pointer which is J, which will start from J 0, and then this will be the last index of that current character. So this we will update with math.max. We will take the maximum of the previous J or the last character. So let's say we call the last character index array, and we will choose from the current character, like character at ith index minus the, so make it into the index integer base after subtracting the character A, and we will take the maximum among the current J or the index of the current character, and then we will check if I or J is equals to J, which means we found the one partition. So how this will work for this string? So initially I will be 0 and J is also 0, and another thing we need to also keep track this notation, like from where our partition start. So let it call st. So st is 0 right now. So first of all I will be 0, on I 0 J will become the max of 0 and this 8. So this will be J will become 8 and I is 0, and I and J is not equals to 0 right now. So we will just continue, and we will continue until the I equals to 8. So once I equals to 8, J is 8 here. So we found the one partition where we will partition it the red part of the string. So in that case we will add the length. So the length of this string will be I minus the start is 0 plus 1. So that this will be the length of the string, because we are playing with indexes, so that's why we are adding 1. So this will become 9. And now we will update the start, because the start of the next partition will start from the I plus 1. So this is the another part. So we will keep updating this and keep checking I and j, and also update the j. So pause the video and try to implement code yourself first. It is not that tough after understanding this approach. So let's implement the code. So for code we need a int array first, which is, let's say, last index and of size 26, which will hold the last index of each of the character in our array. So int I equals to 0, I less than as dot length and I plus plus. Now we will update last index into the as dot char at, so this is character at I, and subtract character a to make it at 0 index space, and then equals to I. So this is how we will do for this. Let's copy the loop again, and we will keep another variable j start from 0, and another variable which is, let's say, called start of partition, or just keep it start, that's fine, initially from the 0, and then take this loop. So here we will update first j from the math.max of current j value, or the last index of the current character, which is as dot char at current character at I minus character a. The value of this we will update that, and then we will check if I is equals to j. If we found that case, so this will be added. So we need another thing, which is a list of result. We need to return list of integer, and it is, let it call result, initialize from the array list. So this will be initialized, and now we will add the this is result, let it call list itself. So we will add I minus the start plus 1, and then we will update our start by I plus 1. So this is how we will get all the partition, and in the end we will return the answer, the list we will create it. So let's compile the code. So code is compiling. Let's submit the code, and it is accepted. So what is the time complexity of this solution? So if you see, we are scanning all the character of string s 2 times, so it is 2n, but in O of n terminology this is O of n, and the space we are using 26 characters array, so integer array, so it is also constant. So thanks for watching. If you like my solution, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get early notification. Thanks for watching.